In the previous lectures, we see the geometric progression. That means our second chapter, that is sequence and series. The first article, it is geometric progression. We see the all concepts of the geometric progression, that is nth term of the geometric progression, sum of the first n terms of the geometric progression, and the sum of the infinite terms of the geometric progression and their properties. Okay. And in a class 10, you have already studied the arithmetic progression. Okay. Now in this lecture we see the harmonic progression. Okay. In our board syllabus, there is in the syllabus harmonic progression, but harmonic progression is not included for the JEE mains. Okay. Harmonic progression is in our board syllabus, but it is not for the JEE mains. But harmonic progression is included in the JEE advanced. Okay. Harmonic progression is important for the JEE advanced because it include in the syllabus of the JEE advanced. It not in a JEE. Okay. Now it is in our state board syllabus harmonic progression. If you are learn arithmetic progression carefully, then there is no need to explain in a detail what is the harmonic progression. Okay. Only see the definition of the harmonic progression. If you understand the definition of the harmonic progression, then there is no need to learn the concepts of the all of the harmonic progression, because we use all concepts in a arithmetic progression. Okay. Here first we see the definition of the harmonic progression. Okay. Now a sequence here, the terms, it is a T1, T2, T3 up to Tn and so on. Okay. Is in harmonic progression. That is HP. If, see carefully, the definition of the harmonic progression, this sequence is in a harmonic progression if the reciprocals of the all terms are in arithmetic progression. Okay. Here, if it is a 1 by T1, 1 by T2, 1 by T3 up to 1 by Tn and so on, is in arithmetic progression. Okay. Where it is Tn is not equal to 0 for all n belongs to natural number. Okay. Here Tn is not equal to 0 because any term it is a 0 in the harmonic progression, then it is a infinity. Okay. Here this is condition. And simple definition of the harmonic progression: a sequence is said to be harmonic progression if the reciprocals of the all terms of the sequence are in a arithmetic progression. That means here we use to solve the all problems, here use the concepts of the arithmetic progression, that is the nth term, sum of the nth terms and all concepts. Okay. In the arithmetic progression is a definition of the arithmetic progression, it is a common difference. Okay. We see the definition of the geometric progression, it is a common ratio. Okay. Here it is a common difference. That means if here it is a 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and so on, this sequence, we check this sequence is in a harmonic progression or not. Okay. Here a sequence is in a harmonic progression if the reciprocals of the all terms are in a geometric progression, then it is in a harmonic progression. We check this sequence is a harmonic progression, so we can write the reciprocals of the all terms. 1 by 2 we can write 2, it is 4, it is 6, it is 8 and so on. Okay. Here we clearly see here first term it is a 2 and the common difference it is a 2. That means this sequence is in arithmetic progression, and this sequence is arithmetic progression, that means the reciprocals are in the harmonic progression. Okay, here this sequence is AP. Okay, and therefore given sequence is harmonic progression. It is a harmonic progression if the reciprocals of the all terms are in a arithmetic progression, then the given sequence is in a harmonic progression. Simple definition. Okay, the sequence is said to be harmonic progression if the reciprocals of the all terms are in a arithmetic progression, then it is called the harmonic progression. Okay, here in the harmonic progression there is no general formula for the nth term. Okay, we see in the arithmetic progression we find the Tn, that is the nth term. In the geometric progression also we find the formula for the Tn, but in the harmonic progression there is no general formula for the nth term of the harmonic progression. Okay, here we use the formula for the nth term of the arithmetic progression and take the reciprocal of this. Okay, here these terms are in arithmetic progression, so 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 and 1 by 8 are in a harmonic progression. So here we can write the nth term of a arithmetic progression. We can write it is a Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. It is a nth term of a arithmetic progression. Therefore nth term in harmonic progression is 1 by a plus n minus 1 into t, reciprocal of the nth term of the arithmetic progression. It is the nth term of the harmonic progression. That means when we say it is a, then difference it is d, a plus 2d. Okay, like that it is a plus n minus 1 into d. It is a nth term. Okay, here it is a t1, it is t2, it is t3 up to it is tn. Okay, here are in arithmetic progression. Okay, now see carefully here. It is a 1 by a, 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d, and it is 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d. Here it is a term 1, term 2, term 3 and up to it is a term n. It is a terms are in harmonic progression. Okay, it is a term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. It is a nth term of harmonic progression, and it is first, second, third and nth term of the arithmetic progression. That means if we learn the arithmetic progression carefully, then it is a harmonic progression is a very simple. Okay, arithmetic concepts of the solving for the examples of the arithmetic progression, there are we use the all concepts in arithmetic progression. Here it is in a harmonic progression, it converted into the arithmetic progression and then solve the problem. Find the nth term or any term which will ask in the our exam, that is a 20th term, 21st term. First it is a given harmonic progression, we convert in the arithmetic progression and then solve. Here it is a nth term in a arithmetic progression, so it's a reciprocal, it is the nth term of the harmonic progression. Okay, that means here we used all concepts of the arithmetic progression to solving the examples of the harmonic progression. Okay, carefully पहा. Okay, हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन स्टेट बोर्ड मध्ये असलं तरी JEE साठी नाही, त्याच्यानंतर पण JEE साठी नसलं तरी ॲडव्हान्स्ड साठी आहे. JEE ॲडव्हान्स्ड साठी हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन, पण आपल्या स्टेट बोर्ड मध्ये तर हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन आहेच, त्याच्यामुळे तुम्हाला 11 साठी ही स्टडी करणंच लागणार. ओके, केअरफुली पहा. आता त्याच्यानंतर आपण याच्यावरचेच एक्झाम्पल्स घेऊ. हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन. हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशनची डेफिनेशन काय? हियर अ सिक्वेन्स इज इन अ हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन इफ द रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ द all terms are in a arithmetic progression. Okay. Now Now we see examples on the harmonic progression in the exercise 2.4. Here example number 1, verify whether the following sequences are in harmonic progression. Okay. There is the first example. Sequence, it is 1/3, 1/5, 1/7, 1/9 up to dash dash. Second example, 1/3, 1/6, 1/12, 1/24 up to dash dash. And here the third example, 5, 10/17, 10/32, 10/47 up to dash dash. Okay. Now here the question is, verify the following sequence is in harmonic progression or not. Okay. If the sequence is a harmonic progression, here see carefully, sequence is in a harmonic progression if the reciprocals of the all terms are in a arithmetic progression. If the reciprocals of the all terms satisfy the conditions of the arithmetic progression, then this sequence is in a harmonic progression. Now here first we see the solution for the first given sequence. Given sequence 1/3, 1/5, 1/7, 1/9. Now here we take the reciprocals of the sequence. Now we can write the reciprocals. It is a 3, 5, 7, 9. It is the reciprocals of the sequence. Now we take this sequence. We check first this sequence is in a arithmetic progression or not. See carefully this. Here it is a 5 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 7 is equal to up to infinite, that is equal to 2. That means the difference between any two terms, it is the same, that is a constant. Here it is a constant difference. Tn minus 1 is equal to d, that is the constant. Here therefore the sequence it is a 3, 5, 7, 9 is in arithmetic progression with a is equal to 3, that is the first term, and d is equal to 2. Okay. Here that means this sequence is in a arithmetic progression, therefore its reciprocals are in a harmonic progression, and therefore 1/3, 1/5, 1/7, 1/9 up to dash dash are in harmonic progression. Okay, simple calculation. We check this sequence is in a harmonic progression or not. Here we check the reciprocals of the all terms in arithmetic progression or not. If it is in a arithmetic progression, then it is harmonic progression. If this sequence is not in a arithmetic progression, then this sequence is not in a harmonic progression. Okay. Now we check the second. Here the second example, given sequence, it is 1/3, 1/6, 1/12, 1/24 up to dash dash. Okay, see carefully. Here now we take the reciprocals of the given sequence. Okay, now reciprocals of given sequence, given reciprocals of the all terms of the given sequence. Here all terms of given sequence. Okay, here it is not necessary to write, it is a reciprocals of the all terms of the given sequence. We can directly write the reciprocals. It is a 3, 6, 12, 24 up to dash. It is a given sequence and are the reciprocals of the given sequence. Now here we check there is a common difference or not. Here it is a 6 minus 3 is equal to 12 minus 6, but here 6 minus 3, it is a 6 minus 3, 3, but 12 minus 6, it is 6, that means not equal. And 24 minus 12 is also not equal. Therefore there is a no common difference. There is no common difference, and therefore the sequence 3, 6, 12, 24 up to dash not in arithmetic progression. This sequence not in arithmetic progression, therefore their reciprocals are not in a harmonic progression. Therefore the reciprocals of the all terms, therefore 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 12, 1 by 24 up to dash not in harmonic progression. See carefully this. Okay, now the second example, first sequence is in a harmonic progression, second is not in a harmonic progression. Now we check the third. Here the third example, given sequence, it is a 5, 10 by 17, 10 by 32, 10 by 47 up to dash. Now we take the reciprocals of the terms. Now reciprocals of the terms, it is 1 by 5, 17 by 10, 32 by 10, then 47 by 10 up to dash. Now first we check the common difference. Now here it is 17 by 10 minus 1 by 5. See carefully the difference. 17 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Okay, here there is a common 5. Here 1, remaining 1, and here 2. That is 1 into 17, it is 17, and 2 into 1, it is a 2. That means 17 minus 2, it is a 15 upon common factor and remaining factor. That means subtraction, it is a 15 upon 10, and 15 upon 10 means it is a 3 by 2. Okay, therefore the subtraction, it is a 3 by 2. Okay, now we take the subtraction of the 32 upon 10 minus 17 upon 10 is also 15 by 10, that means 3 by 2 is equal to 47 upon 10 minus 32 upon 10, and it is also 3 by 2. That means there is a common difference. That means this sequence is in a arithmetic progression and this sequence is a arithmetic progression, therefore the reciprocals are in a harmonic progression. Okay, here therefore we can write 1 by 5, 17 by 10, 32 by 10, 47 by 10 up to dash is arithmetic progression with A is equal to 1 by 5 and D is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, and therefore the reciprocals of this sequence, therefore the 5, 10 by 17, 10 by 32, and 40, sorry, it is 10 by 47. 10 by 47 up to dash dash is harmonic progression. See carefully. In the out of 3 examples, first is a harmonic progression, third is a harmonic progression, but second is not in a harmonic progression because the reciprocals are not in a arithmetic progression for the second example. Okay. Now we see the next example. Second example, find nth term and hence find 8th term of the following harmonic progression. Here the first example, 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 11. Second example, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10 up to infinite time. Then last 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 15, 1 by 20 up to infinite time. Now here given that the harmonic progression, now we want to find the nth term of the harmonic progression, but there is no general formula for the finding the nth term of the harmonic progression. But here we use, for finding the nth term in a harmonic progression, we use the nth term in a arithmetic progression. Okay, it is in a harmonic progression, so the reciprocals of the all terms is in a arithmetic progression. So first find the nth term of the arithmetic progression and take the reciprocal of the nth term in a arithmetic progression. It is nth term in a harmonic progression. That is a reciprocal of the nth term of the arithmetic progression is the nth term of the harmonic progression. And when we find the nth term, then find the 8th term of the harmonic progression. Now first here given that 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 11 is harmonic progression. It is a harmonic progression. Therefore 2, 5, 8, 11 up to infinite time is arithmetic progression. Okay. Here if it is harmonic progression, then the reciprocals of the all terms, it is a harmonic progression. Okay, then it is a harmonic progression. Here is a first term, it is a 2, and common difference, it is a 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 5, it is 3. With first term, it is a 2, and common difference, it is 3. Therefore nth term in a harmonic progression, sorry, it is arithmetic progression. Therefore we can write the nth term Tn, it is a plus n minus 1 into d. It is nth term in arithmetic progression. Here it is a first term, it is a common difference, and therefore the nth term in arithmetic progression, it is a plus n minus 1 into d. Then put the values. It is a 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. Here it is a nth term, 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. It is nth term is in a arithmetic progression. Okay, here it is a Tn is nth term in arithmetic progression, and therefore its reciprocal is the nth term in the harmonic progression. Therefore here 1 by Tn, that is 1 by 2 plus n minus 1 into 3 is nth term in harmonic progression. Here it is a nth term in a harmonic progression, and notation for the nth term we take the Tn also, that is this Tn is a nth term in a arithmetic progression. Now nth term in a harmonic progression, it also we denote by the Tn. Okay, here reciprocal of the nth term in a harmonic progression. Therefore here we can find the 8th term. Okay, now nth term in harmonic progression, we can write it is a Tn. This Tn, okay, Tn, it is 1 by 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. It is a Tn, it is a nth term in a harmonic progression. This Tn is a nth term in a arithmetic progression. Now we find the 8th term. Now 8th term in harmonic progression. Nth term it is, now we find the 8th term. Therefore T8 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 8 minus 1 into 3. And now here 1 by 8 minus 1, it is 7. 7 into 3, it is a 21. 21 plus 2, it is 1 by 23. It is a 8th term in a harmonic progression. See carefully this. Okay. Now we see the second example. Here for the second example, the given sequence, it is 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, and it is 1 by 10 up to infinite time, is harmonic progression. Okay, therefore the reciprocals, that is a 4, 6, 8, 10 up to is in a arithmetic progression. So it is arithmetic progression. First term it is a 4, and common difference here 4, 6 minus 4, it is a 2, 8 minus 6, it is 2, common difference it is 2. So find the nth term, a nth term in arithmetic progression. Here a, it is a 4 plus n minus 1 into 2. See carefully, it is a plus n minus 1 into 2. It is a nth term in arithmetic progression, nth term. Now we want to find the nth term in a harmonic progression. That means the reciprocal of this term, it is a nth term in harmonic progression. Here see carefully, nth term in harmonic progression, nth term, it is 1 by 4 plus n minus 1 into 2. It is a nth term in harmonic progression. Here it is in the arithmetic progression. Now we find the 8th term. Therefore T8, it is 1 upon 4 plus 8 minus 1 into 2, and that means 8 minus 1, 7. 7 into 2, it is a 14. 14 plus 4, it is 18. 1 by 18, it is the 8th term of the harmonic progression. Okay. Now we see the last example, and last example is also same. Here see carefully, the third example, 1 by 5, 1 by 10, 1 by 15 and 1 by 20 are in a arithmetic progression. It is in a harmonic progression, so its reciprocals, it is 5, 10, 15, 20 are in a arithmetic progression. With first term it is a 5 and common difference is also 5. Common difference is also 5 and first term is also 5. Therefore, we find the nth term of arithmetic progression, a plus n minus 1 into d. A, it is a 5 plus n minus 1 into 5. It is nth term in arithmetic progression. We want to find the nth term in harmonic progression. So, its reciprocal, the nth term in arithmetic progression, reciprocal is the nth term in harmonic progression. So, here it is a harmonic progression, nth term. We can write 1 by 5 in plus n minus 1 into 5. It is the nth term. When we calculate it is, when we multiply 5n, see carefully, 5n minus 5. So here we can write only it is a 5n. When we calculate this, 5 into n, 5n, and it is a minus 5. So we can directly write it is 5n. Now 1 by 8th term, it is a 5 into 8, and then it is 1 by 40. Okay. It is the 8th term of the harmonic progression and it is the nth term of the harmonic progression. See carefully this.